Protect your car seats perfectly with the Motor Trend AquaShield waterproof black seat covers. Featuring a waterproof neoprene lining, these covers shield against spills, dirt and wear. With a comfortable cushion design, easy installation, and compatibility with most vehicles, they help maintain your car's value. Ideal for families with children and pets, they are easy to clean and maintain. Experience ultimate peace of mind with an upgrade for your UTV. The passenger seat for the RZR 1900 is a safe and convenient solution for transporting kids or smaller adults. Compatible with various RZR models, this seat features a 4-point safety harness, easy installation, and comfortable foam padding. Do you like this seat? If so, leave a 1 and subscribe to our channel. Experience the elegance of the 4-piece grey faux leather hook set, designed to hang on your car's headrests. The main function is to keep handbags, tote bags, and groceries organised and secure, preventing items from spilling. Easy to install and use, this hook set also helps optimise your vehicle's interior space. Introducing the YEE Pin 2024 Chevy Colorado Sunshade. This premium sunshade for the 2023-2024 Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon features reflective material to reduce heat, protect your interior from sunlight, and prevent fading and damage. It's easy to install, helps save on air conditioning energy, and extends the lifespan of your vehicle's electronic components. Meet the FH Group EZ Travel Multi-Use Car Organizer, the perfect solution for keeping your vehicle tidy and convenient. Its versatile design features storage compartments, mesh pockets, and cup holders, suitable for both front and rear seats. Easy to install and durable, it optimizes space and enhances driving comfort. Car floor mats are essential accessories that protect your vehicle's floor from dirt, water and scratches while enhancing interior aesthetics. Choose from fabric, rubber, 5D, 6D, or leather mats based on your needs. Mats help keep your car clean, reduce noise, and are easy to maintain. Proper care will also extend their lifespan. The onco rearview mirror helps parents easily keep an eye on their baby from the front seat, featuring a wide-angle view, safe materials, and easy installation. Choose from traditional mirrors, LED lit versions, or those with integrated cameras to enhance safety and peace of mind during your journey. Protect your BMW Z3 and Z4 from 1996 to 2008 with the icarcover custom car cover. This specially designed cover fits snugly, providing protection against water, UV rays, and dirt. Featuring a soft inner lining and convenient straps, it offers comprehensive exterior protection, helps maintain your vehicle's value, and saves on repainting costs. Discover the full car protection film, a clear layer that shields your paint from scratches, UV rays, acid rain, and bird droppings. PPF helps keep your paint vibrant, easy to clean, and enhances your vehicle's value. Choose the right film and have it applied at a reputable centre to keep your car looking like new. Protect your car's rear bumper with the 8 San Leone car rear bumper protector guard. This flexible rubber guard is easy to apply and fits the rear bumper perfectly. Measuring 40.9 x 3.5 inches, it features an eye-catching pink colour and a non-slip surface, helping to prevent scratches, enhance aesthetics, and install effortlessly. Enjoy convenience with the Top Install new dash tray phone holder, the perfect interior accessory for the 2021-2024 Toyota Sienna. Designed to fit discreetly behind the screen, it offers multiple compartments for your phone, sunglasses, tissues, and small items. Easy to install and made from durable, scratch-resistant material, it keeps your car's interior organized and enhances its appearance. Don't miss the JDM Car One Touch Hidden Storage Box, a fantastic accessory for the 2010-2024 Toyota 4Runner. Designed to hide under the center armrest, it opens easily with a one-touch mechanism, providing secure storage for cash, credit cards, and personal items. Made from durable ABS plastic and easy to install, this product not only increases storage space, but also enhances organization. Have you heard about the Bucklebee Easy Car Seat Buckle Release Aid? This compact tool helps both children and parents easily unbuckle car seats. Featuring a smart design, safe materials, and ease of use, Bucklebee enhances children's independence, saves time, and reduces stress for parents. Compatible with most car seats, it's an essential accessory for every family. Introducing the Lusso Gear Car Seat. Gap filler and organizer, a great solution for the gap between car seats. Made from premium faux leather, this product features convenient compartments for your phone, keys, and sunglasses. With a non-slip design and easy installation, Lusso Gear keeps your car organized, maximizes space, and enhances the interior's aesthetics. Looking for an efficient and convenient cooling solution for long trips? The tripole USB car fan offers comfort throughout your journey with its compact design, easily installable into your car's air vents. With a powerful, quiet, brushless motor, a 360-degree swivel, and 3 fan speeds, it lets you adjust the airflow exactly how you want. Protect your wheels from dirt and damage with this specialized cleaning solution. Wheels easily attract fine dust that can harm the paint, but this formula will remove all dirt and provide a perfect shine. Just spray it on the surface and wipe off with a microfiber cloth. If you enjoy listening to the radio in your car, the radio signal booster is the ideal solution. When you're out of town and signals are weak, this booster connects to your existing antenna, uses copper wiring and an integrated fuse, supports both FM and AM, and is powered by 12V, ensuring you always have a clear signal. If your car's windshield is cracked or chipped, this kit is the perfect solution. A small rock can cause a major crack, but with the special polymer, you can prevent the crack from spreading. The kit includes a resin applicator, resin, and a blade to remove excess resin, allowing for quick and effective windshield repair.